Hi, and welcome to this quick unboxing and first impressions of the PDP Xbox Wired Gaming Controller. I got this as I recently got a PS5, which has mostly driven me to gaming on my PC, as there's some little things which have put me off gaming on it. Might do a video on that if I get the time. So I got this as my main game is Rocket League, and the sensitivity settings hardly do anything when I change it. Mostly why I'm not playing on the PS5, as it's way worse over there. I figured maybe the controller I'm using could be part of it, so I got the PDP to test it out. The packaging quickly shows the various features of the controller, such as audio support and control, and dual rumble motors. The cable is 2.4 meters, which allows for a great session from the couch if you want to step away from the desk. It also has a software control hub to customize the various settings, which is what initially led me to buy this. Right inside the box you'll find the controller packaged inside a plastic mold. Underneath it you'll find a welcome brochure where you'll find the download instructions for the bundled software, a quick start guide that explains the various connections and buttons available, as well as the warranty information at the very end. It's fairly inexpensive and form-wise looks like a modern Xbox controller for the most part. However, it does feel quite light and not premium quality. When I was using it, the controller sticks felt somewhat loose towards the outsides. That is, until you let go a bit and there's a quick tension which brings it back to center. So if you're looking for light increments or fine control, this might tap out in those mid-ranges. The D-pad is fairly stiff, and the buttons have a short travel with a hard feedback, which I wouldn't expect to be comfortable in the long run. The LB and RB buttons don't offer as much pushback and offers a shallow and satisfying feel on clicking. The LT and RT buttons in contrast offer a relatively more nuanced and a comfortable feel when pressing down on it, however. The Control Hub software allows customization and diagnostics features for the PDP controller. You can check that each button on the controller is registering properly, and as well the analog sticks are showing a full range of motion. The trigger activation points of the LT and RT buttons can be configured, and full range of motion can be tested for these as well. On first impression, the controller looks the part of being a good replacement for your Xbox or PC. However, the body and lightweight gives it an instant non-premium feel. The buttons overall offer a short travel with hard feedback, and even with the LT and RT buttons with deeper travel, it still feels uncomfortable on the fingers even from the limited time I used them. So it won't be suitable for normal to extended use. One key item that's sorely missed from the PDP Control Hub is the ability to change the dead zone and sensitivity of the analog sticks. This would have allowed for a full set of customization for this controller. So overall, this is one controller I would give a miss. Let me know if you use this controller and what your experiences are. And if you found this useful, hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe to my channel to help me grow. Have a great day. Goodbye.